So you see Bank of Ghana boxes. This is another Bank of Ghana box. And the serial number is there.
Okay. So the question is, what is Bank of Ghana
got to do with this? There are boxes scattered in all counterfeit printing houses.
Those are not few boxes.
No. Something is going on Bank of Ghana. That went on for 8 years.
And this aluminum, is it gold proper?
Which one? This one. That's a gold bar that they claim they are gold bar they use in duping people.
Oh.
Okay.
Now look at them. Can this one be very good?
That is
Then look at them. You see that they are even
rusty.
they are fading.
Fading.
You see they are fading. Then the silver is coming out.
Yeah.
So they coat them. You can see they coat them. So you will see it in pictures and think they are real gold.
Yeah.
But they are all, you see them, they are all fading.